We're a nonprofit art organization that started 47 years ago. So we're celebrating our 47th annual festival this year, in 2013. And we're a collection of 200 plus Laguna Beach artists who create their artwork from scratch by hand. And our motive is to educate the public on these art processes. So you'll see a lot of our artists here who encompass and cover all mediums under the sun. Demonstrate their creative processes, and we are a non-juried Laguna Beach art show. So different from the other two festivals, we have a different way of getting into the show and becoming an exhibitor. So rather than having a panel of jurors that kind of judge who gets to be in the show, we have a lottery system that's based on seniority.
This is my mother-in-law. This is Olivia Bunny, elder and
I've lived in Laguna Beach for 35 years, and this is a wonderful venue for artists to display their work during the summer months. And it's one of the best shows I do a year. You know, it's very reasonable to do, and we have a family of artists here that we all come together during summer. This is my 35th year exhibiting.
It's fun. There's shopping, alcohol, food, music. What more do you need?
Sawdust is great because it's a destination where people like to come and have fun and walk around, enjoy the music, enjoy the food, enjoy the artwork, and I just get a really good feeling here.